Hello woodworkers, we would like to introduce you to our Wadkin Bursgreen Surface Planer, a perfect surfacer for joinery, furniture, shop fitting and general woodworking workshops. The footprint of this surfacer is 2,470mm width by 1,200mm length. This surface planer has a high-level control panel, allowing easy access to the start and stop buttons during normal operation. The foldaway bridge guard is easily moved to set correctly for safe usage. Releasing the locking lever allows you to adjust the in-feed table height with the rise and fall handle. The fence can be moved effortlessly using the rotary wheel, positioning the fence. This surfacer has one extraction port of 150mm on the outfeed side of the machine, and the heavy-duty cast iron tables are machined perfectly flat for straight face and edge timber sections. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, please click on the link below. This is AMS, your woodworking service company.